Okay, so we're about to play a prank on Andrew. We're gonna move his car from the current location in which it says to a different spot. He's leaving work early today, so he'll definitely come back upstairs freaking out that his car is no longer there. And there his car sits is a Toyota Yaris.
And we're about to get in and move it to the back of the parking lot.
Hopefully he doesn't have an alarm. Oh, his fob doesn't work?
What the hell is this beep?
Oh, I'm not wearing a seatbelt.
Oh, never mind. It's like it's about to blow up or something.
There's a bomb. Alright. So we're gonna pull into a parking lot of another company, which is right next door to ours. And we're gonna leave his car there.
Should I leave it back here?
Yeah, leave it right here. I'm gonna park it
Like
right,
in the middle of two cars.
Yeah.
So you can't see it.
like right between that Rio and there we go. And we're gonna park it here. And let's see what Andrew says. There's Andrew. Walking to his car.
Sean Desmond was here, is that what it is? I have no idea. Was everybody else standing around for a picture or something?
Brilliant.
Yeah, they're pranking the new guy. He just said to look for something.
We moved his car. Just out of the building. He has to go to the bank because he's leaving town tonight.
Oh, that's just mean. What does he drive?
The Toyota Yaris.
Oh, so it sticks out like a sore thumb on top.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's so wrong. That's so wrong.
Somebody famous was here or something.
Okay, here's a question.
He's talking to himself.
Why did you guys end up doing that?
Why? Because he always plays pranks
Oh,
and
does
jokes
he?
on us, so.
So who snipped the keys?
They were just on his desk while he went for lunch, so we're like, let's do it.
Stop leaving lights.
You guys are off limits around here. I'll tell you that much.
Wait, you can't see you from outside, right? The buildings, the windows are tinted, so he has to know.
He's letting himself.
Do you think he's saying good things to himself right now?
Oh, we're gonna get him to come in and start freaking out that his car is wrong.
Wow, that's great. Remind me to never play jokes with you.
Yep. All the way at the end between two cars.
It's coming in. It's a build.